In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use different email ID for Grok, Imagine, and Video. If you want to switch the email associated with your Grok account so you can use a different address for Imagine and Video, I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few tips to make it smooth. Start by opening your browser and going to grok.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the interface for the profile icon. Click that, then choose Settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the profile area clearly. Inside Settings, go to the Account section. This is where your core profile details live. From there, click Manage. That will open the secure account portal in a new view, which is where updates to personal information like your email are handled. Don't worry if the page design looks a little different from the main app. This is normal and part of the account system. In the account portal, find the email section. You should see the email currently tied to your Grok account. This is the address used for access to features like Imagine and Video, as well as for important notifications. Click Update Email. You'll be prompted to provide the new email address you want to use going forward. Type it carefully and double check for typos before proceeding. It's a good idea to choose an email you can access immediately and that you plan to keep long term. If your goal is to separate work and personal projects, this is where you switch to the address that best fits how you use Imagine and Video. After entering your new email, click Continue. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the change. In many cases, the system will send a verification message to your new address. Be sure to check your inbox and your spam or junk folder so you don't miss it. The update typically won't complete until you verify, and you may be asked to re-authenticate once the change is confirmed. That's it. You went to Grok, opened Settings, navigated to Account, used Manage to reach the account portal, located your current email, selected Update Email, entered the new address, and continued to finalize. Once verified, your Grok account, and by extension, Imagine and Video, will use the new email. If something doesn't look right after the change, refresh your browser or sign out and back in to sync everything. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cleanly switch to the email that suits your workflow.